Hello and welcome. This is Victor Shamaki, and today we'll be looking at how to get your tax identification number (TIN) using the Joint Tax Board for non-individual, which is if you have a business name, you have a company registration, and you do not have a team. So that's what we're going to do. So you will just search on tin.jtb.gov.ng, and this is the home tab, and we're going to select for non-register for tin but non-individual. So your organization type here is, what is your organization? Are you an incorporated trustee, like you run an NGO, or private company limited by guarantee, partnership limited by, private limited by company, private limited company, and all of that. So the company I want to get this for is a private limited company, just like. Okay, so the next they're asking you for the registration number, and the registration number must start with an RC, since you are using a private limited company. So once I paste this, I'm just going to come down here and click on the name, and then it's going to load out and bring out the name of the company. So as it's bringing out, I just come up with all the address. So I'm going to just save this address or not. So this is the name of the company, I Newton Electronics Innovations Limited. So I'm going to click on the next tab. Now on this next tab, I'm going to fill out this form. So once this form is filled, so let me go on by fill up the form, then I'll come back. So in filling this, you just fill the normal form that you already know, but this is the only place, the date of business commencement, you see, we already have it here in corporation. Just you can, the business actually commented on the first, so 01, the first year. So the business sector now, this business is registered under the service sector, other services. So under other services, you come to the line of business, and the line of business here we have repairs of computers and peripheral equipment. All right. So the country is Nigeria, the local government is Sabongari, and Samaru. Every other thing is there. So we have the street, and let's put. We can still use the street up. Number 1A, 1A. So then once you have done with all of that, you cross-check your information, and you come down and do this check verification, then you submit. So once you submit this, they will send a mail to your email address. So you just copy this request ID and you keep. So I'm just going to copy this and keep. So once they reply or they do not reply, you just request back with this, use this request ID to check them back and see, or their phone number are usually at the distance, so you just try to check and look at how they will reply you. So basically, I think this is all that you need to do. Once they accept your this thing, you will receive the mail containing your TIN and all of that. So thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.